Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CODX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty crazy movement today. Price was all over the place. And then you look down here at the volume, and definitely well above average volume on the day. So if you're kind of like, I don't know, is this chart bullish? Is it bearish? I totally get it because, yeah, the price made a great move up, but then it pulled back, and it was a big pullback. But it's not like the price totally crashed, but it was still a big pullback. So in my mind, there's kind of a single level out there that really kind of clarifies as far as is this bullish or bearish going forward, and that's going to be 95 cents. Why is 95 important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but one potential scenario is if the price were to pull back here and then just push down through it and continue on down, what would you have at that point? Well, you would literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down to 95 cents, however, in this situation, behave like that and then start to work its way back upwards, what would you have here? Well, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time, is it's going to make progress forward. So in many senses, 95 cents is kind of acting as a dictionary, meaning it's helping us define the terms of the chart going forward. Meaning, is this bullish if the price is quote-unquote making progress, or is it quote-unquote going back, that associated with bearishness? So is the price going forward or going back? Keep an eye on the 95 cent mark, and that's the level a lot of people are going to be watching because that's literally the level that would put it right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. So far, so good to be fair. The price is staying up above it. Can that remain the case? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.